In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullets in Figma. Adding bullet points is a fundamental skill for organizing information clearly and effectively in any design software. And Figma is no exception. Whether you're creating a simple list of features, outlining steps in a process, or drafting content for a presentation, bullet points enhance readability and help your audience quickly grasp key information. Figma makes this process straightforward, integrating list styling directly into its text editing capabilities. Let's dive in and see how easily you can incorporate bulleted lists into your designs. To begin, the very first thing you need to do is ensure you have a text layer selected on your canvas. If you don't have one already, simply grab the text tool from the toolbar, that's the T icon, and click or drag on your canvas to create a new text box. Once your text layer is active, whether it's new text or existing text you wish to format, direct your attention to the right-hand sidebar. This is where Figma's property panel resides, and it houses all the controls for the selected element. In our case, with a text layer chosen, you'll see the dedicated text section appear. This section contains a wide array of typography options, from font selection and size adjustments to line height, letter spacing, and paragraph spacing. It's your central hub for all text-related formatting. Now, within this text section of the Properties panel, you'll want to scroll down a bit until you locate the List Style option. It's usually identifiable by a small icon resembling a list, or simply by its clear label. Clicking on this List Style option will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. You'll typically see options like None, Bulleted List, and Numbered List. For our purpose today, simply select Bulleted List from this menu. As soon as you make this selection, any text within your active text layer that is formatted as a paragraph will instantly transform into a bulleted list. Each new line will begin with a clean, standard bullet point, immediately improving the visual structure of your content.